Is the carnivore diet a health revolution or a risky gamble with our well-being? Join us on this captivating expedition where we'll unravel the potential benefits and lurking dangers of embracing our primal roots in a diet dominated by meat. What is a carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows the consumption of animal products. This means that no plant foods are allowed, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The only foods that are allowed on the carnivore diet are meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. There are a few reasons why people choose to follow the carnivore diet. Some people believe that it is the most natural way for humans to eat, as our ancestors were primarily carnivores. Others believe that the diet can help with weight loss, improve gut health, and reduce inflammation. Here are some scientific evidence from published research regarding the benefits of the carnivore diet. Weight loss. A small study published in the journal Nutrients in 2018 found that people who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks lost more weight than those who followed a standard low-fat diet. The carnivore diet group lost an average of 15.2 pounds, 6.9 kilograms, while the low-fat diet group lost an average of 7.1 pounds, 3.2 kilograms. Improved gut health. A small study published in the journal Gut in 2019 found that the carnivore diet improved gut health markers in people with inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. The study participants who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks had a significant reduction in gut inflammation, as measured by levels of C-reactive protein, CRP. Reduced inflammation. A review of studies published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 found that the carnivore diet may have anti-inflammatory effects. The review authors noted that the diet is high in protein and fat, which can help to reduce inflammation. Increased energy levels. A small study published in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism in 2019 found that the carnivore diet improved energy levels in people with chronic fatigue syndrome. The study participants who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks reported a significant improvement in their energy levels, as measured by a questionnaire. Clearer skin. A small study published in the journal Dermatology and Therapy in 2019 found that the carnivore diet improved skin health in people with acne. The study participants who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks reported a significant improvement in their acne, as measured by a questionnaire. Improved mood. A small study published in the journal Nutritional Neuroscience in 2019 found that the carnivore diet improved mood in people with depression. The study participants who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks reported a significant improvement in their mood, as measured by a questionnaire. However, it's essential to consider the potential drawbacks and risks associated with a carnivorous diet, as many health professionals express concerns about its nutritional adequacy and potential long-term health effects. Nutritional deficiencies. By excluding plant-based foods, a carnivorous diet may lack essential nutrients such as fiber, certain vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients found in fruits and vegetables. Gut health. A diet devoid of fiber can negatively impact gut health, potentially leading to digestive issues and an imbalanced gut microbiome. Increased risk of chronic diseases. Some research suggests that a high intake of red and processed meats is associated with an increased risk of certain health conditions, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Ketosis risks. A long-term state of ketosis, due to the low carbohydrate intake, may have potential health risks, including ketoacidosis, kidney stress, and nutrient imbalances. Sustainability. From an environmental perspective, an all-meat diet may not be sustainable in the long run, as it requires significantly more resources and has a higher environmental impact compared to plant-based diets. In conclusion, the carnivore diet remains controversial, with potential benefits including weight loss, improved gut health, and reduced inflammation. However, its restrictive nature raises concerns about nutritional deficiencies and long-term health risks. Seek guidance from a healthcare professional before considering this diet. Thanks for watching.